This Solana sniper bot is insane. It allows developers to snipe tokens the moment they launch. Check out this example. You can see that liquidity was added here, and just 1 second later, the bot instantly sniped the token, grabbing most of the supply before anyone else had a chance. Looking at the transaction history, you'll notice the same pattern. Liquidity was added here, and within a second, the sniper bot executed its trade ahead of everyone else. You can customize when the bot snipes new tokens on Raydium by adjusting these settings. For example, you can set the minimum liquidity required at launch, choose whether the bot snipes multiple tokens simultaneously or just one at a time, specify the amount of Solana to use, and configure profit-taking percentages. Additionally, you can filter tokens based on whether they have a website and social links, if their metadata can be modified, if they are freezable, whether the LP is burned or locked, and if ownership has been renounced. Fine-tuning these settings ensures the bot runs smoothly and safely, allowing it to operate autonomously for days. However, before letting it run on its own, be sure to test with small snipe amounts while monitoring its performance to confirm everything is working correctly. Here's a snapshot of the transactions while the bot is running. You can see the take profit, TP levels you've set, along with real-time token values that update faster than DEX Screener and any Telegram bots. It also displays your current profit and loss in real time. You can find the download link for this sniper bot in the description. Currently, it requires Windows 10 or 11 to run. Unfortunately, it's not compatible with macOS yet, but the developer is working on it. Happy sniping!